Alright, let's unbox this fella. Welcome to better sound. Cool. So do we just pull this? I guess. Nice and slow. Oh, it goes like this. It goes like this. I always like the smell of brand new things. Is this a sticker? Can we use this for anything? I don't know. Look at that. There's a little... Okay. What is this? Hey, we got the converter screw. I don't know if that's what it's called, but I know what it is. Is there anything underneath? Yep, it is. This is the important safety information. Don't break it, don't break it. This is the serial number. I think we have to tighten this first. Is it doing anything? Wait. What? How to tighten it? I don't know. Oh. It comes apart. Oh no. Okay, so here I am again after trying to assemble the mic again. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a wobbly rings. It's not flat. I don't know if you can see that better, but yep, it fall off from here and here. If you have a clue, please tell me. Is it important? But it feels better, I think. It is adjustable now. And it also has one external input. This is the mic that I bought myself. It looks similar, but it's not the same. It's called Second Wave. It almost has the same size though. Let's see if I can swap the foam, because it has a similar design. It works. Look. Look. It works. This is the original one. Somehow this one feels softer. Where's the converter? Is this the same? Let's try to put this converter screw on the SHURE. Should I go further? Okay, it's stuck there. Do I have a coin? I think I have a coin. Let's see if we can spin it. Yes, we can. What if we detach it? Can we? Yep. Alright. Let's tighten it up again. Yep, like that. Yep. My desk is a mess now, but that's fine. Okay. It's not fine, by the way. I mean, not a good thing. You have to keep everything neat. By the way, even though these two mics look similar, it feels like the weight is different. Yeah. The SHURE is heavier. This one is heavier. Should we attach it now? Should we? Can you see that? If I attach it here, yes you can, right? I attach it here and I hope my mic stand is strong enough to hold the weight. Should I do it like this? No, sorry. It's from above. Drop it down like so. Like so. Yep. Slowly. Nice and easy. Okay. Yeah, it is heavy. Probably I have to find a new arm stand. So I think that's all in the box. Next time let's sing on it and see if it's actually, let's hear, is it as good as I think, or I just have too much expectation. Okay, thank you so much.